double quarterly extra bucks rewards. Don't miss getting double quarterly extra bucks rewards. I love them.
Fall in love with E.T. all over again. Now for the first time on Blu-ray.
You know she's trying to surprise you with it.
30th anniversary edition on Blu-ray this Tuesday.
See? She's waiting to get you. Whoa!
Good job.
Good job. Oh.
You gotta hang on tighter, Faith.
Oh, sorry.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! That was a good one.
Yay!
That was so good. Good job. Look at, she looks all worn out from that throw. Oh. Look, here she goes. Look at her. She's like preparing. She gets all psyched up for it.
Too late. Ready? Ready? Faith.
In a factory. That's a long walk for a turkey sandwich. Harvey slices fresh in store.
Oh. You don't do good.
Harvey's sliced fresh, great taste.
She doesn't like to play with you.
Humans, pets deserve better nutrition.
She's not good, huh, Faith?
From big to small, young to old, we've got the right food for your pets and the experts to help you find it. Plus, earn 5% back with our Pals Rewards program, Petco, where the healthy pets go.
Look at her stare at it. It's like she's really concentrating.
Now with Nappy Whitening.
Whoa! Good job. She does so good.
Clean and white laundry. Better than ever. In 3 days, Deborah, Grey's Anatomy.
Yeah, okay. She said you better do a
Most
better
people
job.
turn- When she talks to you, she goes like...
She said you better do a better job. She just showed you how it is. Now follow her instructions, Josh.
She's so much emotion when she talks. She's like, raises her eyebrows and gives you these looks.
Oops, she's doing planking. Oh!
Series premiere Wednesday, 10/9 Central on ABC.
Planking!